All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are looking at lesson 2 problem set. Oh, there's the camera. So once again, if you have not completed this, please try it on your own. For number 3, I'm just going to show you one of these, but the rest of them follow the same way. We start with 152, and we're dividing by 100. Since we're dividing by a number greater than 1, we are going to be moving to the right. It gets smaller. The 2 zeros tell me, that's my clue, how many places? 2 places it's going to move. So this 2 moves over 2 places all the way to the hundredths. It moves to the tenths and to the hundredths. This 5 in the tens place moves over 2 places to my tenths. And this 1 moves over 2 places to my ones. Since this is the ones place, I must have a decimal so I can separate my whole numbers and my numbers that are less than 1. This number is 1 and 52 hundredths, okay? So when you do A and you do C, the exact same steps, count the zeros, move them over, and you got it. Number 4 says, Janice thinks that 20 hundredths is equivalent to 2 thousandths because 20 hundredths is equal to 2 thousandths. Use words and place values to show her error. So it says that she thinks 20 hundredths. Now because we say 20, and it says hundredths, it means the second digit, or the last digit, not the second, but the last digit will be in the hundredths place, which means the 0 is in the hundredths place. This 2 will be in the tenths place because it's right next to it, and my decimal point shows that that is true. She says that it is equivalent to 2 thousandths. I heard that number 2. She said it's in the thousandths place, which means this 2 is clear over here. Here's my decimal point. I have some missing pieces, which means they are filled in with zeros. Janice thinks that 20 hundredths and 2 thousandths are the same. Obviously, looking at it like this, these are definitely not. This is how you might find it in the place value chart, okay? Number 5, it says Canada has a population that is about 1/10 as large as the United States. So if this rectangle represents the United States, Canada's population is 1/10 of that, which looks like this. This 10 means that I cut this up into 10 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 1/10 the size, which means it's one of these. So if this whole rectangle represents the United States population, this piece represents Canada's population, which is smaller. If Canada's population is 32 million, so this little box right here is 32 million. And since every single one of these pieces is equals, that means that every single piece is 32 million, 32 million, 32 million, 32 million, and so on. So what do we do if we add the same number over and over? It's repeated addition, which means we multiply 32 million times what? 10, because 10 pieces. Now, the 3 is in the 10 millions place. If we move it, it's going to get bigger. We're going to move it to the left 1 spot. So this in the 10 millions place moves 1 to the left. So it will be in the 100 millions place. Next to the hundreds millions place is the 10 millions. Whoops, that's not where that goes. It's not a 0 because this 2 in the millions place will also move to the left to the 10 millions, millions, hundred thousands, 10,000s, 1,000s, hundreds, tens, ones. If the population of Canada is 32 million, the population of the United States is 320 million. If you have any questions, please contact me. I'll see you on Zoom or contact me via email. Good luck, everybody.